Today I have a Master Lock ProSeries, and it's a 7050. It was given to me by Bears Back. Here is the key. It's a 6-pinner. And the core has a strong spring on it. You have to turn it, hold it. It's a dead shackle, so you have to pull it up in order to release it. It's key retaining. Close it back up. And it locks up. Very heavy. And let me put it in the vise here. There we go. Still working. Strong spring, like I said. I'll be picking it with a wiper blade insert and a Sparrow's monkey paw. See, the tip of it has a little notch in it. That's to help me find the pins. I have a lot of difficulty in doing that. That's what takes me so long to pick a lock. I just can't seem to get to pick underneath the pin. I use light tension. This reminds me of an American lock in that it requires light tension, and you've got to pulse it every now and then in order to see whether you've picked it or not because of the strong spring. I've sat there for a long time not getting it picked, I thought, and I had it picked all along. All I had to do was push down on the tension tool and it just opened up. So let's see what happens with this. Tight keyway. Work my way back from the front. Pin 1 seems to be set. Pin 2 may be set. 3, 4, springy. Maybe overset. Pin 1 is up in the Bible, so let me release all that tension and let it drop down. Start again. Click on pin 1. Click on 3. Click on 4. Nothing on 5. Click on 6. Go back to 1. 2. 3, 4, not picked yet. One again. Another click. 2, 3, 4, and we have it. There we go. Get it out of here. There we have the Master ProSeries 7050. Thanks for watching.